Hello and welcome to AH Shooting and Just Good Food. Today I'm lucky enough to be skinning a muntjac. This was given to me by Carl Bird, so thank you Carl. One thing that you definitely need for skinning a muntjac is a sharp knife, so sharpen your knives up, and as you can see here I'm just starting around the legs. What you'll find when you're doing a muntjac or deer is that you can pull a lot of the skin away. You just need the knife there to help you, any bits that are kind of clinging on. You just give it a nick and it just pull away freely. It is better if you can hang these up and skin them whilst they're hung up. That way it stops your kind of meat getting contaminated with any fur. But I'm doing this at home and so I'm having to cope. So once I've got the skin off, all of the joints will be washed anyway, so there's no problems there. These are lovely little animals. It is amazing though how much meat you can actually get off a small little animal like this. In the end, you'll end up with some nice muntjac steaks, some back saddles, or loins as we call them, some nice dice, and some trim, which we will put through the mincer and make some lovely muntjac mince with. I've got a lot of recipes to use for these muntjacs, so stay tuned and please make sure you subscribe to see all the recipes. I actually keep the carcass and freeze it down, the bones, and these will go into a stock pot to make a game stock. The legs are a little bit fiddly on it, but once you've freed the legs out, it does make it a lot easier. So just work your way around the rump, keep freeing the skin up. If you just nick just behind the tail, it will then free up the rest of the skin and you can just peel that off the back. So you can keep going up there, just making some little slices, and the skin will just pull up. If, like me, you're having to skin your muntjac on the table, don't forget to keep giving it an occasional wipe and getting rid of some of the hairs, because you will get some stuck to your meat and you're just going to have to rinse it off. Like I say, it is best if you can hang it up really, and a lot of people don't know that option. See how this is just pulling off the back? Just keep working it around. So that's the hide free from the carcass. Now we're just going to quickly whip off its tail and just finish this bit off around the leg that got stuck on. Give this tail a wipe down again. So that's one Muntjac deer hide and carcass, which we're going to rinse off and get butchered up. Well, voila! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.